dress. Our little girl is now grown, and I remember how sweet when you danced on my feet. Now you stand on your own. You'll always be my little girl, my whole life, my whole world.
Niyo po sa plate for the first bites as husband and wife. Okay, and yan. So for everyone, nakakuha na po sila ng kanilang first bites, and let's transfer po sa center of our venue so everybody can witness what is happening. Alright, so Jason and Lorimel, this first bites of your cake symbolizes that you are now ready to show your guests that you have a big love to each other by tasting your cake. Ayan, the bigger the bite, the better the love. Hindi ko pa sinasabi kasi si Sir talagang umiisa na nilalakihan na yung isusubo. Ayan, okay, so try natin ang first bite ni Ma'am Lorimel. Yun, palakpakan po natin. Marami po yun. And thank you for showing us that you have a big love for Sir Jason. And how about the groom? Yan, inuubos na ni Ma'am. Konti lang kasi nakuha nila Maliit lang. Okay, so palakpakan din po natin si Sir Jason. And to seal this tradition, you have to kiss each other po. Yun. Kuha niyo po yung kiss. Alright. So next, let's have the releasing of the doves. So, mamaya na. Okay, let's have the wine toasting ceremony. So, mabilis na lang po ito. And after this, we'll be moving on to the meal time. So, requesting the maid of honor and the best man, Mr. Michael Gargana and Ms. Charmaine Nuko, to facilitate the toasting ceremony. Cherry Madronero and Cherry Bill Madronero, kayo na lang po ang magme-message. At mauna yung maid of honor. Si Cherry Bill Madronero na lang daw po. Yung ating candle yun Ako, wala na sila. Shaira po. Shaira. Si Miss Shaira na lang daw po. For the wine toasting ceremony. Ayan, so simple lang naman po ito. Before you facilitate the toast, mag-message po muna kayo. Mauna po ang maid of honor or the bridesmaid, then saka naman po ang guest po ang
gusto ko lang po silang batiin ng congratulations and best wishes, and sana mas marami pa silang magandang pagsamahan at patuloy lang silang magmahalan.
Ang masasabi ko lang sa kanilang dalawa ay huwag silang mag-away at magtalo para tumagal ang pagsasama nila. Yun lang. Ampay.
Yun, a round of applause for the toasting ceremony. And that symbolizes that we are now cheering up the couple for their successful and prosperous life in the future. And of course, now for the dove tradition, let's have the doves. And hindi na po natin Ayan, simple lang po yan. All you have to do is to let the dove kiss. And magkikis din po kayong dalawa, kasabay nila. Mga 3 seconds po para makuha ng ating photo and video. Okay, ayan, a round of applause for the newlyweds. So the dove symbolizes that the couple is now ready to share their life independently together, and because the dove is color white, so it symbolizes purity of love to each other, and that was what we are expecting from the newlyweds, to be faithful to one another. And now, let's move on with the table hopping pictorial. So, lahat po ng ating guests pupunta sa harap. Then afterwards, saka po kayo mag-proceed sa buffet. So, we will be starting this with the guests seated on table number 1. Ayan, guests seated from table number 1, you may now stand up and go to the stage area to have a souvenir group picture with Jason and Lori Mel.
Magandang gabi po. Nagpapasalamat po kami sa mga lahat ng humaten, sa mga kaibigan, katrabaho, mga kapatid. Sana po hindi kayo magsawang. Hindi po kayo magsawa. Maraming salamat po.
Okay, thank you so much po. And of course, for the bride side, we would like to call on Miss Laila. Laila po, para sa message po sa bagong kasal. Ayan, para po ito sa message para sa mga guests na umattend and para sa kanila po.
Mawish ah. Mapasubo ako ah. Ano sabihin mo? Sa mga nagsipunta, maraming salamat. Iabot nyo na lang yung mga regalo nyo sa kanila. And thank you po sa mga magulang ni Lori, mga kapatid, sa mga kapitbahay namin, sa tropa niya. Thank you sa inyong lahat. And message ko sa ng dalawa. Magrespetuhan kayo, magmahalan, mahalin niyo yung mga anak niyo, alagaan ang mabuti, at yung mga magulang niyo, mahalin niyo yung pareho. Yun lang. Thank you. Mahal ko kayo dalawa.
Thank you so much po. And of course now, we will be opening 3 gifts starting from the small, medium, and large. Ayan, so magpapa-open po tayo ng gift para po may mapicture tayong gift opening. So mamimili po tayo ng small. Asan ba yung mga ibang regalo?